Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, Clashers! In this video, I'll explain the straightforward process of moving your Clash of Clans account to a new device. The most reliable and recommended method involves using your Supercell ID. This free service securely links your game progress to an email address, ensuring you can easily access your village from any phone or tablet. It's designed for convenience, letting you pick up your game exactly where you left off, no matter which device you're using. To begin, open your Clash of Clans game and head into the Settings menu. Look for the Supercell ID section. You'll see a button that says either Disconnected or Connected. Tap this button, then follow the on-screen instructions to either create a brand new Supercell ID using an email address or sign in with an existing one. A unique 6-digit verification code will be sent to your chosen email, which you'll need to enter to complete the linking process. Once your account is linked, transferring to a new device is simple. First, download and install Clash of Clans on your new phone or tablet. When you open the game, you'll see an option to log in with Supercell ID. Tap this, then enter the email address associated with your Supercell ID. A new 6-digit verification code will be sent to that email. Enter this code into the game, and your beloved village will load right up, ready for action. For a smooth experience, always use a secure and easily accessible email address for your Supercell ID. Remember, your Supercell ID is your game's key, so never share your login details with anyone. If you ever run into trouble during the transfer process, don't hesitate to reach out to Supercell support. They are there to help. Finally, always keep your Clash of Clans game updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.